Cherry Coke Jell-O salad became a favorite dessert, merging the fizzy delight of cherry cola with gelatin for a unique taste. Its effervescent texture made it a staple at summer gatherings. Equally cherished, pineapple upside-down cake boasts a luscious topping of caramelized fruit atop a moist cake. This visually striking dessert evokes nostalgia for many who cherish its vibrant flavors. In the 1970s, Jell-O pudding pops emerged as a cherished frozen indulgence, offering a creamy dessert experience in an array of flavors. Their universal appeal captivated both children and adults. These pudding pops provided a convenient, refreshing escape on sweltering days, often endorsed by popular personalities, which enhanced their nostalgic allure among fans. Ambrosia salad represents a quintessential dessert from the 1970s, featuring a vibrant mix of fruits enveloped in a creamy dressing, making it a beloved dish at potlucks and family gatherings. Similarly captivating, Baked Alaska combines layers of sponge cake, ice cream, and meringue in a visually breathtaking arrangement, presenting a delightful contrast in both temperatures and flavors. The origins of Watergate salad spark debate, with some claiming its name connects to a clever journalist's reference to the Watergate scandal. Regardless, its captivating mix of flavors and textures endures in popularity. Nanaimo bars, another iconic 1970s dessert, feature a no-bake recipe comprised of layers of chocolate, custard, and a crumbly base. This Canadian delicacy is celebrated for its indulgently rich flavors. In contrast, Bananas Foster serves as a show-stopping dessert that combines caramelized bananas with rum for an interactive culinary experience. This New Orleans classic infuses excitement into festive dinner parties. While the alcohol content in Black Forest cake diminishes during baking, it remains integral to the cake's distinctive flavor profile, enhancing its overall appeal and creating a rich dining experience. Lemon meringue pie stands out as another timeless dessert, harmonizing a tart lemon filling with fluffy meringue. Its vibrant flavors and striking presentation make it a highly appealing choice. Despite its name, Boston cream pie is, in fact, a cake layered with sponge and pastry cream. Its delightful interplay of flavors and textures has secured its status as a beloved dessert over time. The light, airy texture of the cake springs from a combination of egg whites, sugar, flour, and vanilla, crafting a cloud-like experience that complements the tartness of fresh berries beautifully. This dessert's versatility shines through the addition of various berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, which provide bursts of color and juicy flavor, enhancing the overall dining experience. Tiramisu, a beloved dessert from the same era, delivers a rich and creamy experience, creating a delightful contrast with the elegance of angel food cake. Its layers of flavor and texture captivate dessert lovers. Chiffon cake's light, airy crumb pairs exquisitely with fresh fruit and whipped cream, making it a refreshing option for warm weather gatherings. Its delicate nature showcases the artistry of baking. 7-layer magic bars evoke nostalgia with their simplicity and enchanting textural blend. Requiring no elaborate baking skills, they are accessible treats for aspiring home bakers. Key lime pie, a refreshing dessert, highlights sweetened condensed milk and key limes. This iconic 1970s treat reflects the ingenuity of bakers from the Florida Keys, showcasing resourcefulness.